Ted was our leader.
Pouring in the yeast to warm milk.
Obviously, Ted, one of the Americans' cousin was a sailor and knew those words.
Putting in 1.5 tablespoons of sugar on top of the yeast.
Have been our...
Cracking an egg. We put the yeast mixture into a bigger bowl. Egg number 2. Egg number 3. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Pouring in melted butter. 1 cup. Whisking it all together. Evening out the flour with a knife. Half a teaspoon of salt. Stir until combined. Making a well in the flour mixture. Pouring the yeast and the butter mixture into the well. And mixing until combined. We switch to a wooden spoon and see how it's come to a nice doughy consistency. We covered with a light cloth. It's damp and warm. Put on top of a warm stove so that the dough will rise in a nice warm spot for about 30 minutes. 1.5 cups of pearl sugar. Stir it in to combine. Form baseball size balls of the dough. Prepare it for the waffle iron that's preheating. Put the baseball size balls of dough in the preheated waffle iron. Press down a little bit. Careful not to burn yourself. Close the lid and that for about 2 minutes. You'll let the waffles cook until that steam stops coming out. Nice golden brown and crispy. Making the strawberry sauce. A cup of strawberries and
1/4 cup sugar
over
medium heat.
Needs to be stirred constantly so it doesn't burn. See how the sugar has melted? The strawberries are softening. Just added the vanilla. It's looking much more like a sauce now.